Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my tribe. And today's video is about vision board. If you watch my video on how I manifest my dream car and what's on my vision board, and that's what I'm talking about. So today I'm going to show you how to make vision board. Vision board it's basically a collage of pictures or photos, words and quotes that serves to remind you of passion and purpose. And it's a powerful tool that you can use as motivation or inspirations for your journey towards your ideal life or life goals. First thing first, you need to know and truly understand the purpose behind the vision board and cultivate a positive mindset. If you think you can just cut and paste down photos of things that you want in life and you will magically receive them because they're on the board, then you've got it all wrong. You should be choosing the photos and words for the vision board intentionally and understand that you have to put in work. In order for the vision board to work, the vision board is not magic on its own, but with the right mindset and ambition, the result can be magical. The next step is preparing to create a vision board is to think about the areas of your life that you want to improve or grow. Think about your values, career goals, family, life, love life, health and wellness. Places you want to travel to, new things you want to experience, fun things you want to do, new food you want to try, and so on. And create a calm environment for yourself and make sure you have enough space to be creative. Light some candles, diffuse essential oils, play uplifting music, meditate, do whatever it takes to get you feeling relaxed, motivated, and inspired. It's really important to create a peaceful space and cultivate a positive mindset before putting your vision board together. You don't want any negative vibes to interfere with your process because you're going to need all the positive vibes you can get. The vision board is all about manifesting positive energy into your life. So treat your vision board as sacred. It's a special gift you've given to yourself and a powerful to attract all your desires into your life. I already have photos, images, and quotes that I want, and I got this from magazines, Google, and Pinterest, and I print them out. So if you're creating a vision board digitally, just save all of your image into a designated folder or on a desktop so that they're all easy to find when you start putting them all together. If you're using a poster board or cork board, you can copy and paste the image you find onto a Word document and then print them all out at once. Once you found all your images, it's time to let the creative vibes flow. There's no right or wrong way to do this. Place your image on your vision board whichever way looks right to you. Just make sure you make it something that you'll be happy to see it every day, something that represents you and your dream life. Remember, you gotta put in work. If you want your vision board to do anything for you, you can just sit back and relax now just because you made a vision board. Vision boards basically function like the law of attraction, the beliefs that the universe creates and provides for you what your thoughts are focused on. So basically, if you focus on positive thoughts, you will bring positive experiences into your life. That's the ultimate goal here. Hang your vision board up somewhere where you see it often, so most likely in the office, bedroom, restroom, or any other room where you spend a lot of time. Look at your vision board every day to remind yourself of your working towards and to help you stay focused and motivated. Visualize your dream life when you look at your vision board as vividly as possible. Think positive thoughts and think about what you need to do to make it that life a reality. Look to your vision board when you're feeling discouraged, lost, confused, frustrated, etc. Get inspirations and motivation from your vision board where you're feeling these negative emotions. Last, being thankful. Expressing your gratitude is an important part of being in content and happy in life. Be grateful for the good things, big and small, in your life. Sometimes it's too easy to black out the details of the day, forgetting that each day holds precious gifts. From the air we breathe to the friendship we hold close, there is always something to be thankful for. Expressing of gratitude on a daily basis, you will create an even greater vibrational match for the future you want to create. And there you have it, an easy step-by-step process for creating a vision board to help you reach your goals. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in my next video. Bye!